is Dr. Khalid Matin. I'm the Medical Director of Clinical Research Affiliations and Community Oncology, and also specialize in GI malignancies here at Massey Cancer Center. So the mission of Massey really is to provide a center of excellence for the state of Virginia and for the country as a whole in terms of being able to provide a place for cancer treatment, prevention, control, research, and education for this area. When there is research going on around the country or the world, your physicians here are going to be in tune with that as they take part in regular tumor board discussions. And also you will have access to cutting edge technology research that is going on, and if you want, you are able to participate in those trials. Number one, of course, we do clinical trials right here at Massey, but also interestingly, we take as many of these clinical trials that we can out to the community. And this really is not just the Greater Richmond area, but it's throughout the Commonwealth, where we work with our partners around the state and say, we want to open clinical trials in your town so that we have access to those clinical trials for the patients in those communities. So what that really allows is patients, no matter where you're living in the state, to have a close enough location where you can take part in the study. But a lot of the research that starts, especially right here at Massey, stuff that is being done in the lab here, requires that funding that comes from donors, because a lot of times the funding that is given by the NCI or by the pharmaceutical companies comes later on in development of a drug. So for our researchers who are busy in the labs here developing the next big thing for cancer treatment, they really rely on that funding that comes from donors, and it really potentially helps to take those studies out to the communities and impact those people wherever you are in the state of Virginia. It goes really to helping development of new therapies, new strategies for cancer, and really helps to translate to better care for patients in the years to come, in basically not just here in Richmond, not just Virginia, but potentially around the world. Whatever everyone does, it all has an impact, and it really, the way to move forward in cancer research is through the community as a whole, the state as a whole, the nation as a whole taking part, and people really waking up to realize what a big issue this is.